we have complex fraction. First, we have to check if we can do an operation in the numerator and in the denominator. We have here addition and we have fractions, so I need to change b squared to fraction, and the same I will do in the denominator. So this is equal. I will write b squared over 1. So b squared over 1 is b squared, still the same, but now I have fraction, and we have a over 3 and a over 5 we copy, and we have plus 4, so I will change 4 to fraction. I have to just rewrite 4 over 1, and now we have fraction. So this is equal. We have addition to fractions, algebraic fractions, so we need to have common denominator. So we have 1 and 3. So the least common denominator for 1 and 3 is 3. I need to multiply 1 times 3 to get 3. Whatever I did with the denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. And in the denominator we have 5 and 1. So the least common denominator for 5 and 1 is 5. So I need to multiply 1 times 5 to get 5. Whatever I did in denominator, I have to do the same with numerator. So this is equal. We have now b squared times 3, so this is 3b squared over 1 times 3 is 3, and we have plus a over 3, and we have over a over 5 plus 4 times 5 is 20, 5 times 1 is 5. So this is equal. Now when we have the same denominators, we have to copy denominator and we can add numerators. So it will be 3b squared plus a, and the same we will do with the denominator. We have to copy 5 and we add a plus 20. So this is equal. Because we cannot do anything in the numerator and in the denominator, so we will rewrite this fraction bar to division sign. So we have 3b squared plus a over 3 divide by a plus 20 over 5. So this is equal. Now when we have division of algebraic fractions, we have to copy first fraction. We change division sign to multiplication. We have to flip the second fraction. So we have to write denominator in the numerator and numerator in the denominator. And now we multiply numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. So this is equal. We have 3b squared plus a. This whole term we have to multiply by 5. So I have to put this in parentheses, and we have 3 times a plus 20. Again, I have to put a plus 20 in parentheses because this whole term I have to multiply times t. So next I have to check if I can factorize or I can reduce something. You have 3b squared plus a and a plus 20, so we cannot factorize anything. We cannot reduce 3 and 5, so greatest common factor is 1, so it didn't change anything. So what I can do, I can only put 5 first, the number, and the term in parentheses I will rewrite. And denominator I have to just copy. So this is my solution.